Welcome to another video. You're here because you're looking for home-based business opportunities, trying to figure out what can you do to work from home and what's going to get you to where you need to be. Me personally, I've been around this industry for a little over 5 years. I've been through a lot of home-based business opportunities, different compensation plans, different different ways to build a team, directs. I've done it all. And I'm here to tell you, like I tell everyone I run into, you have to figure out what product, these home-based business opportunities are offering that's going to really get you motivated and really make you want to go out there and spread the word. For example, me personally, my main business is CTFO, which is a CBD based company. We have CBD oil based products, hemp oil products, such as right here, for example, the herbal drops. They help with healthy blood sugar levels, promote healthy energy levels, relieve anxiety, all the way to reducing vomiting and nausea, sharp suppress muscle spasm, and reduce seizures and convulsions. A whole bunch of things that people are dealing with, on a day-to-day basis. There's a lot of people dealing with depression, a lot of people, you know, with off blood sugar levels, a lot of people who want to lose weight, a lot of people who want to stay focused. So there's an unlimited, audience when it comes to CTFO, and I believe in it personally. I personally take these drops. I personally believe in the product. So what you think I'm gonna do when I run into other people looking for home-based opportunities? I'm gonna feel confident. I'm gonna be able to promote the product with ease, as well as the compensation plan, which I'll leave in the description below to really understand how we make money. But I love this company, this home-based business, because it's a team builder, And what's so great about the aspect of this company is you don't just have to go out and personally get all these people on your own and try to build this big empire, and try to retire, the typical goals of people who get in work from home opportunities. After you get your first three people in this company, the others go under your team. So say I'm on my fifth person and I'm actually I have I think 13 people. But say I'm on my fourth person, personally, that person's gonna go right underneath my business partner. That's crazy. As you see, I have other people, and I brought these three people in, and everyone else you see, and it even breaks down to more. So, for example, if I click down here, it breaks down to three more people, you know, here. I don't even know this person, and my team's growing in different states just like that. So when she gets her three, her fourth will go right here, so you could have quick results is what I'm trying to say pretty much. And like I said, the team grows outside of you. I've been in this company for over 2 weeks and my team is 13 people deep, and I brought in three of them. That's the power, and I still get paid, you know, four levels down of people that I don't even bring in. You see what I mean? Like it's powerful like that on top of everything else. And like I said, I don't want to really confuse you, because my specific opportunity has a nice size compensation plan. So all the information is gonna be below. But like I said, in 2 weeks, I hit senior manager, and all I need to do is bring in one more person, and I'm an executive. I've never had this type of rank up with any other home-based opportunity that I've ever got involved with. I've never been able to bring in this many people in a 2 week span. Never in my wild imagination could I have these results. But since this compensation plan is so lucrative, the product makes so much sense because there's a lot of people dealing, with these issues. It's so easy to offer, you know. And like I tell people, you could come in, get started for free. You'll go under, you know, no recent order, but you'll only make 20% commissions, and that's it. You won't get to take advantage of getting paid on all the other people that your referrals refer, you know what I mean? So It's up to you. But like I said, I always recommend someone who's really trying to come in and make some money, really trying to come in and make a good income with these home-based business opportunities. Get active. The requirements are very slim. One time, once a month, all you have to do is buy a product purchase of 44, 47. No, I think it's 47, 47. My bad. And if we go over to the product purchases, you see that simple for a 300 milligram, it's 49.97. So if you buy just one of those a month, you're active for that whole month. I personally have the 500, so I'm well over active. But the reason this is so powerful is because if you build a team and they know, okay, I got to make one product purchase every single month, that's residual income every single month. You don't have to keep going out there selling and selling every week like some of these direct sales companies to make a check. You already know you're going to have these 13 people or however many people you have that's going to buy one product. So you know you're going to at least make that amount every single month. And that's how you want it. You don't want to have to keep coming out here. Who wants to get started with this $10 program? Who wants to sign up for this? And you're only making that one-time commission. You want commission and residual income as well as bonuses, and that's what CTFO has to offer, guys. Like I said, I'm going to leave all my information below. You're going to click, you're going to fill out your email. It's going to take you to a whole presentation that's going to explain every single thing. I'm going to have all my contact information, so you can contact me about my home-based business opportunity. And the team is rocking it. You see the results from my previous videos. I've been ranking up. I keep ranking up. A lot of people want to see some commission. I'm going to show some commission very soon. I'm kind of just letting it add up. I really don't. I make a lot of my sales and I never show commission because people just believe the movement. What I say is real. Don't fake. Don't do scams. Because if I'm doing a scam, then obviously I got scammed. So you can look it up on YouTube. You can look up testimonies on YouTube of CTFO. People way older in age than me trying a product, doing a product. So, I mean, the proof is in the pudding. But anyways, I'm going to leave my information below. Make sure you check it out, and I hope to see you on the team.